Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of what I got, which is all of this mess back here. I'm actually going to be doing it in two parts. I'm going to do makeup and clothes, well most of the clothes anyway, in another separate video in a couple days. And I'm actually going to be showing you today what I got from like Target, Homegoods, TJ Maxx, stuff like that. So I have a couple shirts to show you, including the one I'm wearing right now, but there'll be a better picture of it hanging up on the door later because I just took pictures of everything and I'm just gonna do a voiceover of what I got since there's so much and a lot of it is big. Like I said, it's decorations, so it'd be kind of hard to show you on camera, so that's how we're gonna do it. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share it, or subscribe to my channel below, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, all of these are kind of just mixed in together, but this is a new vanity stool that I got from HomeGoods. I believe it was $49.99. I needed a new one because my old one was just kind of like raggedy. I don't even know what the right word would be, but it was always like the legs were loose, so I just needed a new one and I thought that was really cute. Sorry if my voice sounds kind of weird too. My throat kind of hurts and I think I'm losing my voice. But this is a cart I just got and I thought it was really cute how it says face, nails, and hair. I also really like the chrome color it has, and it's just a good way for me to kind of organize all the stuff that I have. I'm planning on getting another cart for like my eye makeup and my lip makeup, but we'll see if I can find one of those soon. This one was also from HomeGoods, and it was also $49.99. This is just the shower caddy I got from TJ Maxx. I believe it was $10. I just really like the color and the shape of it. I just thought it looked really nice, and I've been needing one for a while now. Also, don't mind all the stuff hanging on my wall and my really ugly carpet because it's from when I was like in 8th grade, so just bear with me. That was just a thing to hang my necklaces on, and I believe I got that one from HomeGoods as well, and it was only $10, and I just love the way it looks. I love light pink, and I just thought it was really cute. This is just a cute little picture to hang in my makeup room since I'm redecorating, well, my makeup room / closet room, whatever you want to call it, but I got that at Ross for $10. This is a laundry hamper I got from TJ Maxx, and I believe it was only $10. It could have been $15, I'm not really sure. But again, it's light pink, and the sack actually comes off, so I don't have to carry the whole bin downstairs, and I just thought it was super cute. I've been needing another one of those that was a little bit bigger. Alright, on to the Christmas decor. I hope y'all like Christmas as much as I do because I got a lot of Christmas stuff on sale in this haul. This was from HomeGoods. It was originally $50. I got it for $25. I just thought this would be super cute to set outside my apartment or even set inside, and I don't know. I just thought it was really cute and authentic looking. I like the more traditional look. This is a gift box I got. I don't know if I'm going to use it to store stuff or if I'm actually going to use it as a gift box. But I love dogs, and I thought this was the most adorable thing ever. And I believe I got this on sale for $2 at HomeGoods. This is just a cute little soap dispenser and toothbrush holder I got at HomeGoods. I believe they were each like $5 to $7. I'm not quite sure, but I just thought they were super cute. And I've been wanting to get a different one for my bathroom. This is a pillow I got on sale at TJ Maxx for $8, and it is so adorable. I couldn't resist it, and I just had to buy it. I'll probably end up putting it on my couch or my bed at the apartment. And this is my all-time favorite pillow that I bought. It's a Yorkie with a little Santa hat on, and of course I had to buy one with a Yorkie on it because I have a little Yorkie named Lily, and she is my life, and I just thought this was so cute. It was $8 at HomeGoods on sale. Okay, this stuff I got from Pier 1. There is a glass that I got, and I thought it was so beautiful with the little crystals around the rim to drink out of for my apartment. The little reindeer in the background, just to put little candles in, which is what I also bought to put in it. I thought that was super cute. And then the angel at the very top, which was in the very first set of pictures of this. I just thought it was so pretty, guys. My mom and I are angel fanatics, so I just thought this was super cute. And all of this stuff was 50% off, so the prices weren't bad at all. These two things, the first thing with the dog with the reindeer antlers, I just thought that was adorable. I'll probably set that outside my apartment for Christmas, but it was, I believe, only like $6 or $7 at HomeGoods. And the soap dispenser was from TJ Maxx, and yes, I am that extra when it comes to Christmas, but I believe that was only $5 or $6 as well. All of this is from HomeGoods. The first top left is just a little towel that wraps around and velcros, which is super nice, and a little makeup headband with a bow on it that's super cute that I actually wore in my last video because I'm super lazy. Then I got these mini jar LED lights. I'm probably going to actually hang those around a little bit of pictures I got and hang them in my closet room. Then I got an S because my name is Sam that I'll set on something. And then I got a charcoal infused sponge that is super good on the skin, guys. It was only $3, so I would definitely recommend trying it out, honestly. Then I got this cute little Christmas paw print mitt to get stuff out of the oven with for, I think, $2 at Ross. And then just a cute little gift box to use to wrap presents. Then I got this little cute box for, I believe, only $3 at Target. I'm probably going to put my eyeshadow and eye products in it, or I might put hair products in it. I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. Then all of this stuff I got from TJ Maxx. I got an e.l.f. Hydrating Gel Melt Cleanser for $3. I'm not sure if it's any good. I haven't tried it out yet. Then I got a water bottle and a shower cap. The water bottle was $8 and the shower cap was $2. I've just been needing that stuff and I thought those were cute, so that's why I got those. I got this cute little food tray that I could set cookies on or whatever I decide to bake during winter time. I just thought this was super cute, and it was $10 at TJ Maxx. This is the shirt I'm actually was wearing in my intro to this video, but it was $22 at Target, and it's an off-the-shoulder shirt, and I just thought it was super cute for the springtime. Then I got this cute little Home Sweet Home picture at Target for $3, and also those little golden glass cups that I thought were super cute for $3 each. I just wanted to hang that picture in my makeup room and then put makeup brushes in those little cups because they're pretty good sized. Then I needed some new gift bags, so the one on the left I thought was super cute from Pier 1, probably like $2, and same with the one on the right, except it was from HomeGoods, and it's so cool because it has like an actual snow globe sticking out of it. Then I got two more from these were from Pier 1, my bad. These were just a set, it came together, and I think it was $2, thought they were super cute. And this one was from HomeGoods, and I just thought it was super cute with like the donuts. Then I got these super, super warm slippers on clearance for $2.50 at Target, and I absolutely love them. This stuff I got at Hobby Lobby, and all of their Christmas stuff was 80% off. So the one on the top is just something that says ho ho ho, and I can set it on a table. The one on the bottom is a little gift bag I thought was super cute. And the other one is just a super cute little present that I can hang up or I can sit on a table as well. Then I got some cute little gift tags. I got a sign that says ho 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 and XOXO, which I thought was super cute. And then I got home is where the dog is to hang up in my room because I love, love, love my dog. Then I got another little present to sit down or hang up like the one in the last picture just to go together. Then I got a cute little gingerbread house and man, I think these were all literally like $2 or $3, guys. And then I got an XOXO mug. I really don't know why I like the saying XOXO so much, but probably because I love the show Gossip Girl and that's like their slogan, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, if y'all haven't seen that show, you need to watch it, but XOXO, Gossip Girl. Alright, you guys, that is it for my decorations / whatever else I got haul. Make sure to check out my one that's going to be going up Thursday on clothing and makeup, which is what I know you all really want to see. But if you liked this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!